Hello Oilers and hello everyone! It's referral again and welcome back to my channel. Unboxing! Ayan. Ang i-unbox natin for today ay ang aking April Essential Reward. So, ano pang iniintay natin? Let's open! Nangangamoy na agad yung oils! First, meron tayong newsletter. This is a quarter 2 newsletter. Nire-recycle ko tong mga to kaya I'm keeping them all. Okay. Last month, if you remember, meron na naman tayong clear vegetable capsule. Yan. Last month, pasabay yon. And ito, pasabay ulit. Okay? This is for gym. Ayan. Kasi, nagtatanong siya kung how we are taking the oils orally. Kaya, ni-recommend ko sa kanya to get vegetable clear capsule. Kaya, siya nagpasabay ng order. Product na to ay isang set. Okay? Ang worth ng set natin, Thieves set, is $123. Bakit ako bumili ng Thieves na isang set? Kasi marami tayong paggagamitan sa kanya. I-share ko lang sa inyo yung legend ng Thieves. Nung unang panahon, nagkaroon din ng pandemic. Okay? And lahat ng mga tao is mga namamatay dahil sa pandemic. Ngayon, merong mga lalaki, group of men na ang ginagawa nila is nagnanakaw ng mga ari-arian nung mga patay na. Diba sa noong panahon, miski ngayon naman, yung patay is ibabaon nila kasama yung mga golds, money, ari-arian nung patay. So, ang ginagawa nitong mga men na to is hinuhukay nila yung patay and then ninanakaw nila yung mga ari-arian. But, hindi sila nagkakasakit. So ngayon, pinatawag sila ng king. Ang tanong ng king sa kanila is, ano yung sikreto nila? Kung bakit sila hindi nakakapitan ng sakit? They are being exposed with the corpse. Yan. Ang sikreto nila is, sila ay nagtitinda ng mga spices. So yung spices na yun, pinaghalo-halo nila at yun ang ina-apply nila sa sarili nila para hindi sila kapitan ng sakit. So, itong tips natin, doon yun nanggaling, or it is based on the legend of the thieves. Kaya thieves ang pangalan niya kasi nga mga magnanakaw. But the components of this thieves essential oil is clove, lemon, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus radiata, rosemary leaf. Yun yung component ng thieves. And also, na-search ko din na yung thieves, ang sabi niya is 1 drop of thieves essential oil keeps the virus away. Or ilalayo ka niya sa sakit. So, kapag medyo sumasama na yung pakiramdam ko, ang ginagawa ko is, I just add 1 drop of thieves essential oil in my tea. Or you can do it in 1 cup of hot water and 1 drop of thieves essential oil. Kasi 1 drop of essential oil keeps the virus away or keeps you away from any diseases. Kaya, this is my secret para hindi tayo nagkakasakit. Magkano yung isang set ng tips natin? It is $123. At ano yung mga kasama sa set? We have 2 bottles of Thieves all-purpose cleaner. Meron na rin ako dati nito. If you remember doon sa ating January Essential Rewards, we already have Thieves all-purpose cleaner. And we have here Thieves mouthwash. Yan. 2 bottles of Thieves foaming hand soap na meron siyang kasamang pump. Okay, so ito ang gagamitin natin na hand wash. We have also here toothpaste. Yeah. Aroma Bright toothpaste. And 2 bottles of Thieves sanitizer. And 2 bottles also of Thieves spray. Ayan. And the 15 ml of the Thieves essential oil. These are all made with non-toxic chemical. Kaya safe na safe siyang gamitin. It will not be harmful to your health kasi wala siyang chemical. And next na order natin is yung ating diet trio. I have peppermint 15 ml, lemon 15 ml, and grapefruit 15 ml. Every month also, these are included in our order kasi nga every day natin siya tinitake. And ginger essential oil. Konti na lang kasi yung ginger essential oil ko kasi ginagamit ko siya sa pangluto. Kaya nag-order na rin ako ng bago. And ginger essential oil, wala silang 15 ml, just 5 ml. Ito naman, okay, itong tatlong oil na to is free again kasi na-reach natin ang 190 PV. So, ang free natin for this month, we have citrus fresh, we have tangerine, and we have peppermint. Yan. 3 oils are 15 ml. At itong maliit na oil na to, this is 5 ml of peppermint. This is also free. Why I get this one free? If you are enrolled in Essential Rewards for 3 consecutive months, this is your loyalty gift. So, ayan, naka 3 months na ako and I get this one as free. Ang worth nito is $12. So that's all sa ating unboxing for this April Essential Reward. And I hope that this video will help you in taking our journey with Young Living. At sa mga hindi pa oilers dyan, you can message me on my Facebook. You can also contact me in my Instagram. I put also my email address in the description box, so you can just send me an email. Hope you get inspired to be an oiler and you will join me to enjoy life, wellness, and the gift of nature with Young Living. Bye for now!